How to download the Alipay app. First, open the Google Play Store. Tap the search bar and type Alipay. Look for the app named Alipay, published by Alipay Hangzhou Technology Co. Limited. Make sure you're downloading the official app. Tap Install and wait for the download and installation to finish. Once it's installed, tap Open to launch Alipay. You can then sign in or create an Alipay account and complete any verification required. If you don't find the app in your Play Store, you can also use Alipay's official download page to access the app. Keep in mind that Alipay is primarily designed for payments and digital services in China, including use by foreign visitors traveling there. And that's how to download and install the Alipay app. For more Android and app tutorials, like this video and subscribe for more.